Hello everyone, this is a audio test for the Audio Technica 8024 microphone. So right now this is just the in-camera body audio from the G7. This is just a test to make sure is it the microphone or is it the actual camera that's making the buzzing noise. So right now this is all audio straight from the camera. Right now I'm going to be attaching the microphone. 1 second. Okay. So this is the audio with the microphone. The microphone now is set to, I believe, minus 10 dB with the low pass filter on. Right now the microphone doesn't have any of the dead cat or the foam. Test it out right now. So this can be the second part of the test. So right now I'm testing with the foam. Okay. So this is going to be the audio test with the foam. Audio test with the foam. Now it's recording it last time. I still heard the little buzzing noise, so I wasn't sure if this was going to be an issue. But now I'm going to test it with the dead cat. So I'm going to take off the foam. So now the dead cat is on. Foam piece is right here, and yeah, I was just double checking to make sure, you know, or I guess why is the audio like buzzing. Right now I'm just in my room, fan is turned off, pretty much no noise around me. And yeah, hope you guys can help me find this. Thank you very much.